The Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro is finally here in Malaysia. But should you get the 90 or the 90 Pro? Let's check out the differences. The Mi 90 Pro has the exact same screen as the standard variant, which is 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. And the 20 megapixel pop-up camera is still here. There's still a red, blue and black color, but now there's a pearl white version only available for the 64GB model. Both the 90 and 90 Pro version have a 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage, but cannot expand. The 90 Pro has a more powerful Snapdragon 855, but the Snapdragon 730 on the 90 also not bad. Oh, I forgot to tell you there's also the new graphite cooling system to support the Snapdragon 855 processor. The 90 Pro has a similar 4000 mAh battery as the 90, but the only difference is the 27-watt fast charging. However, the fast charge adapter doesn't come with the box. Why? Now, let's talk about the cameras. Both of them share the similar camera setup, which is 48 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. The only thing that sets them apart is the newer sensor that is capable of shooting 4K 60 FPS. Finally, the price. The 90 goes for 1199 and 1399 for 64GB and 128GB. And for the Mi 90 Pro 64GB, it goes for 1599 and 128GB goes for 1799. If you don't think you need the extra features of the Mi 90 Pro that I've mentioned before, then just go for the standard version. But if you can afford the 400 ringgit difference, then just go for the Pro. Alright, that's it guys. Let us know in the comments which phone would you guys pick. Like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye!